What does it feel like to live in an $11 million apartment in the heart of Orchard Road? Come, let me bring you to take a look. You can access the apartment from this drop-off point via the private lift. As you return home tired after work, be fully refreshed with the view of this city. It's breezy here on the balcony and a comfortable place to read a book in the evening. When I step through the front door, I am greeted by this wide living and dining area. There is a large feature wall which I can display my trophies, and it has storage space to put all my photo albums. The dining area is big and can fit a table for 10. The dry kitchen is tucked in the corner, and it comes with its own fridge, hood, hob, and sink. There's a wine chiller and an oven here too. Very convenient if I want to do some simple cooking. Lots of space for my dry food. Let me show you the back, where the yard, a public access door, the wet kitchen, which comes with its own fridge, gas stove, and oven. The laundry area, the helper's washroom, as well as the bomb shelter. Beside the dry kitchen is the common bedroom. Not only is there space for a desk, there's also space for a dressing table. The door of the entrance and one of the walls are fully glass, making the room feel much bigger than it is. The high ceiling makes the whole space so much more cozier and brighter. This 3-bedroom unit at 3 Orchard by the Park is a loft unit. There are 2 rooms on this level. On the right is the master bedroom that overlooks the living room and the balcony. The designer has added a reading corner just behind the bed. What a clever concept. For me, I prefer this armchair corner where I can have a rest after a long day at work. I can draw a bath to relax too. There are 2 basins and mirrors in this master bathroom. No more taking turns to wash up in the morning. The other end is the common bedroom that has been turned into a dressing room. Having a floor-to-ceiling walk-in wardrobe means I have more than enough space for my clothes, handbags, and accessories. Three Orchard by the Park is an Italian masterpiece set against a flourishing backdrop in the heart of Orchard Road. This residence is located on Orchard Boulevard, and it is a short walk to Tanglin Mall, where there is a cold storage supermarket and a Little Farms market. It is next to Camden Medical Center as well. I'm impressed by its clubhouse, which houses the library, and it also has a concierge service. There is a private dining area at the back, where I can hire a private chef and invite all my friends for a party. Big party? This dining area opens up to the outdoor terrace where more seats are available. This outdoor terrace overlooks the swimming pool. There is a big gym where I can exercise and get a good view of the swimming pool as well. If the weather is good, I can organize my parties at the poolside kitchen too.